Me Halloween has a lot of DIY properties that you could do a lot of different things and Frankenstein it into something new. So this is a great opportunity to try to make something new. Yeah! From my big pile of everything, I decided to pull out this black sweater. It is way too small and it shrunk so completely. This old bag. There's nothing wrong with the bag in general. Like, it's still in great condition because it's a type of canvas backpack, but it doesn't close. So there's that. And then I'm going to be recycling these leather bat wings from a different backpack. That backpack got so used that it tore apart, and I recycled the wings. So I kept them for a special occasion, and I reused the straps for my Ada Wong cosplay. So my goal for this project is to use only things inside this room. I can't go out of this room to get any extra materials. So if I wanted tape, no, can't do that. If I wanted paintbrushes and they're in the bathroom, no, can't do that. So I can only use what's inside this room. This room challenge! Woo! So I went ahead and did some digging, and I found a lot of things to start embellishing this plain backpack. I liked it being plain, honestly, but I thought, you know, it's time for a change, and change is good. So we have this nice crochet style lace trim. I think it would be nice to have. I have these Ghost Halloween pill buttons. They're cute little... I have these little Ghost Halloween-y buttons. They're really cute. I have 2 packs of them. So there are those. I have these iron-on patches. There's this wing, a skull, and the word attitude. So iron-on patches. And I have these pom-pom trim. So what I'm going to do is try to use that into this backpack. Also, the materials that I'm going to be cutting up is from this sweater. It has this really cool chain, so I want to use this chain. This chain is really cool, and I really like these flowers, so I'm thinking if I can cut off these flower pieces. That is so pretty. Look at that. I've never seen that before in this sweater. That's so pretty. And then, of course, I'm going to be adding on these wings again. There's no way that I won't have a backpack without wings. I miss having it. Okay, cool. Let's get started. What I suggest is taking out all of your materials, and so you can lay it on your backpack piece and then play around with it and put it into an arrangement that you like the most. I figured that I really love the gray lace around the edge at the top flap, so I'm going to put that there and sew that down. The other parts, I haven't yet decided how I'm going to incorporate my sweater and the patches into this backpack piece. What I'm going to do is actually start the lace closer to the inside. I'm really excited to show you the new placement after I finish sewing down this trim here. Obviously, I'm still going to be adding the wings on the back. I'll be doing that last. I still will have the attitude right here, along with the angel wing next to it, so it'll be at the bottom right. Now, from the sweater, when I picked apart all of those beautiful flowers, it turns out it's actually one giant ribbon. So the giant ribbon has this chain, and I don't want to get the chain off. I'm going to put this ribbon part here in the middle, having the chain dangle right between the snap where it used to go. And then I'm going to loop it around. Once I get it looped around, I am going to iron on this patch here. So it's kind of sitting there into that design. Once I do that, the rest of it I'm going to curl over in a few different ways. So it'll get curled into something like that. Isn't that gorgeous? Last but not least is these last pieces with the actual rose buttons. I'm going to use these leaflets at the bottom left and then attach it here. And it will look like that. Time to use it. So for some of the pieces I'm going to be ironing. For the harder parts like the wings, I'm going to be hot gluing or trying to find my universal adhesive. If it's not in this room, I can't leave the room. And then I have my iron on standby, so I can go ahead and iron these parts down. I can wait on this part, but I'm going to go ahead and sew down this part first with hand. Time to grab my needle and thread and start going to sew this part here. Thank you so much for watching this backpack transformation on the 31 days of Halloween. See you next time!